Alright guys, welcome back to this challenge number 6? 7?
Oh, it was a
7.
challenge.
7 I think. So challenge number 7. This time what we're gonna do is I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna do an origami and do a magic trick with the cards here. All of that on his back. So I'll be trying to just like kind of not fall and he will be suffering a lot. Because I'm heavy, I'm big. It's a joke.
You fat ass.
Alright, go. Take the Rubik's Cube. Yeah. Okay. Can you put all your both feet on the ground? Alright, that looks good. So I'm gonna solve the Rubik's Cube. By the way, it's a shitty Rubik's Cube, so it doesn't move well. It's like crappy like shit.
If you dare fart, I'm kicking your ass.
Can you feel his balls on your neck?
Holy crap. That's good. That's good.
Keep it up, man. Keep it up.
Okay. I have one face. I'm going for the second layer now. You should see how I am right now. Don't fall! No! No! No!
Oh, no. Oh, you're fucking bony, you motherfucker.
What?
You have some bones.
Oh, bones, okay.
I thought you said you had a boner. I was like,
Of course I have bones. Duh. It's almost over. Ta-da!
here
The
you
Rubik's
go.
Cube is over now. It's okay. Oh, can you back up?
No. I'm sorry.
I need to back up. I need a sheet of paper. Okay, I have it. All right. So I'm gonna do an origami now.
Speed the fuck up.
I'm doing my best.
Hurry up.
It's hard without a table. Holy shit. You should see me. Turn it. Show the side. Look. Okay, I have the table here. That's why it's there, by the way. It's like a... I thought I might do a complicated one, but I'm scared that I will fall, so I just speed the fuck up. It's the one I did on my one of my videos, so you will see it. I need to put my arms there, otherwise I fall on the like that. So I'm not sure if it's a challenge for you or for me, but I think it's more for you. You look in pain right now, so yeah. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! I'm a backpack! Holy fuck! You like secrets? It's funny.
Speed the fuck up.
It's almost over.
Yeah, but there's a magic trick after.
Yeah. But for magic, y'all need to be on the table, so you'll have a break. So yeah, it's pretty crappy, but it's the star-shaped box. Here we go. Recognize it?
One.
Yeah?
Two.
You do? Good.
Yeah.
Alright,
Three.
magic. Holy crap. Okay. Now, I need to take that. Good. So I have 4 kings here and a deck of playing cards. Okay, move to the table. My little green table right here. Alright. So here are 4 kings, and I will need 12 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's put this down there. So here we go. 12 cards. What I will do is take all of these kings, and I'll need to make a few piles, like 4 piles. So just like that. Here are 4 piles, and I will place 3 cards on top of all of them, just like that. After that, what I will do is make all the kings disappear. So I have 1 king here. What I will just go like this, and the king is gone.
Elvis
No
has
more
left the
king.
building.
And if you want to see the backs, I can obviously show them to you. Here we go. And here we go. Second pile. Okay. So now right here I have the king and a few cards. What I will do is turn the king around and show you guys that the king is still at the back right here. And what I'll do, I will take the king and morph it into a 4. So as you can see, no more kings are here. Once again, can see the backs. Here we go. Now let's go with this pile. Take the king, go like that, and make the king disappear. Once again, you see, there is no king. And once again, can see the backs. Here we go. And here we go. And at last, here is my last pile. You're gonna see all the kings are now right here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this magic trick, the origami and the Rubik's Cube. I hope you're having fun.
I'm dropping you right now.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. Alright, so he is dead. And I hope you liked the video. If you didn't like it yet, click the like button. And you can always subscribe to see more videos like this. We're doing challenge about every week. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Have a great day.